So we're going to try to show you guys merging a file for jaw turn. And so I'm going to grab my part and bring it into the software. And I'm going to try to find my main 3D part. And in fact, I might not even have a main 3D part in this software. Let me see. I guess I could take this part. I don't know if I really need to even move it like that. So I'll transform, translate dynamic, grab the part that I want. This depicts my jaw turn for my new actually I did that wrong. So I'm going to grab transform translate as a tool. I'm going to vector reselect this arc to this arc. So this is a previous jaw turn project, and that didn't work either. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is use a feature called transform to Z. Oh, align to Z. Okay. So if I take let me see, transform to plane, top. If I take the face that I'm trying to grab, and in this case that'd be the back face, to align to Z, I think that should work. So let's see if that worked. If I go to top, okay, now my part is aligned to Z. So I can transform it. So now I can take transform, translate, grab the part and the selection, reselect, grab the arc that I'm looking for, move to the arc on the previous part, go to advanced. I'm going to put this on new attributes level 19. Check out of that. I'm going to go to my levels manager. I'm going to turn off things related to the old part. And it does this sometimes where it doesn't show me sub 3D. Okay, where it's almost like I have to create the level to see the part on the level. It's like a software glitch. Anyway, so what I'm going to do from here is go to my level that I created for sub wire geometry, and you just create it by clicking this box, putting something in there, naming it, pushing enter. And so I go to my sub wire geometry, which has nothing on it. I'll go to wireframe, turn profile, create a turn profile using that part, full profile, spin, 1000 tolerance, and we'll check out. And then I'm going to drop the visual of the part, and I don't know why I can't. Oh, it didn't create the subwire profile on the right level. Okay, so for that I'm going to have to highlight, grab everything except the part by clicking the part to unhighlight the part, transform, grab level 20, translate, and I'm just going to push the green check mark, and that should have brought everything to level 20, but it doesn't appear to have. So if I translate, I guess if I go to advanced, new attributes, level 20, then it moved it to level 20. So now I can go to my toolpath manager and I can reconnect geometry, or actually I want a little chamfer here. So we're going to go to wireframe. I'm going to go to chamfer entities. I'm going to give it a 30 thou. maybe a 25. I barely want the chamfer to be there. I just want to remove the sharp edge. I still want to be able to put my part geometry against the face of the chalk jaws for a stop feature. So I chamfered the edge, and I was lucky enough to be on the right level, so it didn't create the chamfered edge in some space that I don't even know where it is. Rechain, I'll click on this and that, rebuild, and I'm going to click on geometry in the second operation, the finish, rechain all, grab that, change the direction of the chain, grab that, rebuild. And so there I've showed you kind of a dirty bastard version of have a file that does something like this. In this case, we're turning a QG65 Royal Collet. And have a file that does something, bring geometry into the file, and reconnect your geometry to save yourself some time, so that I can post op 2 and 3. In this case, the drill was just to make a hole for the turn, because I got a 20mm emergency collet. So I've got a 20mm hole in the collet, and we're going to use a boring ring to bore the jaws for a job, so we don't crush a thin-walled part. Anyway, I hope you guys learned something. Sorry about the sketchy startup. Nobody's really an expert in Mastercam because there isn't really a free training program for anybody, so you're going to have those struggles. Catch you guys later.